Today I'm going to show you how to create an additional YouTube account that's under your existing Google account. After it's set up, you'll be able to easily switch between the two channels without a second set of login credentials. I'll be using a PC to do this. If you're going to be doing this process on your phone, it's a lot more complicated, and I made a separate video showing how to do that. See the link in the description. First, you'll need to navigate to the YouTube website by doing a web search on the term YouTube. Once there, sign into your existing channel. Then in the top right corner, click your channel avatar, and underneath it, click Settings. Then add or manage your channels. Then create a channel. Type in what you want your channel name to be, then click that checkbox underneath it, and then click Create. You will get a message saying that this channel does not exist, which is odd because it does exist. You can get to it by going to the top right and clicking on the generic avatar it gave you, and underneath it, click Your Channel. It'll bring you to your new channel's main page, and from there you can upload a video if you have one. Note that at this point your videos have to be less than 15 minutes long. It will allow you to upload ones longer than that, but they will end up not processing, and it'll look like this in YouTube Studio. It will never resume from that point forward. In order to get past the 15-minute cap, you have to verify your new channel account. To do that, make sure you're signed in to your new channel in YouTube, then go to the URL line at the top and type in youtube.com/verify. I'll put a link in the description to the same URL. From that screen, it'll walk you through the simple steps to getting your account verified. Within minutes, you'll be able to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. Note that your new channel will not be monetized just because your old channel was. You will have to meet the monetization requirements all over again for the new channel. Also note, even though this is your second channel, YouTube is going to act like you're new to everything, and it's going to bombard you with pop-up messages that explain what everything does. With your channel up and running, I suggest you go to Customize Channel, which brings you to a page where you can upload a custom avatar photo and channel art, and you can add a channel description and set up your channel trailers if you want to use them. With your second account established, you can now switch between them at any time by clicking on the avatar and selecting Switch Account. Did this video go well for you? Let me know if it did or didn't. Have a great day.